Hello everyone! Welcome to Learn and Build. This is Leo Domingo. Thank you very much sa pag-join nyo dito sa Learn and Build. And I would like to share with you a wonderful opportunity. It is a program na pwede ninyong gawin while you are working at your own free time, and you will be able to earn extra income. Pagka natutunan nyo yung system kung paano ito work out ng maayos, you can leverage it, you can scale up, able to earn much more using our system. So Learn and Build is a platform, so you can be trained, you will learn how to start your own business. Pag-aaralan ninyo yung mga step-by-step program kung paano kayo magsisimula, paano kayo mag-grow, ano yung mga dapat gawin para lalo pang mag-grow ang business. Ang aim ng Learn and Build ay matulungan ang bawat OFW na naghahanap ng magandang opportunity magkaroon ng sariling negosyo, so that pag-uwi ninyo sa inyong mga pamilya, magkakaroon kayo ng mas magandang income na pwede ninyong dalhin sa Pilipinas. Hindi naman tayo permanent dito sa abroad. Ang plano natin ay magkaroon ng long-term plan na kayo ay maging entrepreneur, have your own business. I would like to invite you to sign in with this link after this video to get more videos na kamukha nito, free video training. And step by step, you will see the process on how you can start your career or you can start your business with Learn and Build. Thank you very much. This is Leo Domingo.